Now just hold it and don't press any buttons. Okay. Hey, wait! Give me the horn! What did you say? I need more of this No. Ready, sacrificial dance. Hi-ya-ya-ya. Not you.
We tell you.
What? Yeah, the African dance move. Bastard. Jazz. Oh. Ouch.
Okay, wait. Wait, I need to let you listen to Turn That Turn On.
Huh?
I can't really say it. I can only.
Is that the song from the Tiki Dance thing? From Just Dance?
I don't know if it's Just
I thought it was.
If it is, then I will love my life.
It sounds like it.
Take it down to wrap it down. Remember that commercial?
No.
Okay, we need to run around some more.
Yeah, let's do it. La 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 la. Don't squeeze it. La 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 la. La la la. La 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 border in my house. This is my house. I must keep border. No! Oh my god! Do not squeeze it. No, do it. Alright, new rule. No more Clone War. No, I second that. We need more of that stuff. That was wonderful. You're under arrest.
Am I now?
Yes. For wearing the color purple. The ugliest color in all of history. Right? Not much!
The color purple? That's pretty.
Don't put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Oh my god. Ouch.
Oh shit.
Way to go. I just need to be border in my house. You can't. It's not possible. I told you, you can't let me into your house and expect normalness. Wait, where does this go? Where's your food? Here.
Where's your food?
What is this called? You're just like, realizing this now?
Wait. Krystal, what's wrong getting home?
It's not good.
No? What is it?
Like there's a peanut butter bar that's Hunter's. And I don't know those truffle things.